Welcome to my channel.
And this is a Fluent Vibes English podcast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent Vibes English Podcast, your cozy place to learn real English in a fun and easy way. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Ali. Great to see you again, everyone.
Today we're talking about something super useful, English at the restaurant.
Yes, we'll show you how to order food, ask for the bill, and sound polite and confident in English, even if you're a beginner.
So if you've ever felt nervous ordering in English, don't worry. After this episode, you'll be ready to order like a pro.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love English and food.
Food. Okay, let's start.
All right, imagine this. You walk into a restaurant. What's the first thing you say?
The waiter usually says, "Good evening, how many people?"
And you can answer, "A table for two, please."
Exactly. Simple and polite. Let's practice. A table for two, please. You can also say, "Just one, please." A table for four, please.
And if the restaurant is busy, the waiter might say, "Please wait a moment."
Or, "It'll be about 10 minutes.
So don't panic. Just smile and say, "Okay, no problem." Or, "That's fine, thank you."
Easy, right? Okay, let's move to the next step, getting the menu.
When you sit down, the waiter often asks, "Would you like something to drink?"
You can answer, "Yes, please. I'll have a glass of water." Or, "I'd like an orange juice, please."
Notice how Sarah said, "I'll have" and "I'd like." Those are polite ways to order.
Yes, you can say, "I'll have a Coke, please." Or, "I'd like a coffee, please."
Don't say, "Give me coffee." That sounds a bit rude.
Yeah, unless you're talking to your best friend at home.
Also, the waiter might ask, "Still or sparkling water?"
That means, do you want water with gas, bubbles, or without gas?
So you can say, "Still water, please," or "Sparkling water, please."
Let's review. When you order drinks, say, "I'll have" or "I'd like." Be polite. Always add "please." The waiter will say something like, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "What would you like to eat?"
The waiter will say something like, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "What would you like to eat?"
You can answer, "Yes, I'll have the chicken salad." Or, "I'd like the pasta, please."
If you need more time, you can say, "Not yet, please. We need a few more minutes."
Nice one. That's super common.
Let's do a mini dialogue. "Good evening. Are you ready to order?"
Not yet, please. We'll need a few more minutes.
"Of course. I'll come back soon."
Perfect. Simple, polite, and easy.
When you're ready, you can also say, "Can I have the menu, please," if you don't have one.
And if you have questions, you can ask, "What do you recommend? What's in this dish? Is it spicy?"
Yes, very important if you don't like spicy food.
Totally. Quick review. Are you ready to order? I'll have or I'd like. Can I have the menu, please? What do you recommend?
Okay, now you're eating. Everything tastes amazing.